So let's wrap this course up with some exercises you can do to start to explore your freedom. And remember, the greatest freedom you have is the freedom to be you. And that's what this is all about. So we have a resource for you, which is the Finding Freedom Journal. And this journal has over 20 freedom exercises. And what you'll do is you'll read a question, a statement, a challenge, and then you'll spend the day kind of being aware of it or acting it out. And then at the end of the day, you'll go back and reflect on that exercise. How did it go for you? What were you able to learn from it? What insights were you able to gain? And again, this is available as a free PDF as part of this course. And it's also available if you want in a Kindle version and in a paperback version. Those are for purchase, but the PDF is part of the course and it's free. And you can find it at beautywithacause.com. And there's no catch. There's no email to give me in order to be on to get the PDF. I'm not asking for anything like that. It's just that's where it's stored. But I encourage you, because you can't get the value of this course without starting the exercises. And again, there's about 20 exercises for you to do. And you can take your time doing. You can do the exercise for a day, or you can do it for 2 days. You can do it for a week. Really, whatever you want. It's up to you. Again, I'm not telling you how to live your life. I'm just giving you some suggestions on some experiments you can start with. And then write your own. Come up with your own experiments. As you start to see patterns in your life, start to question them and write your own little exercise for the day. And say, okay, I've noticed that I do this and I don't really know why and I don't really enjoy it. So let me explore it and let me change it up. And let me find a new way to be free around this activity or around this relationship or around this responsibility. Again, it always keeps coming back to those things, right? Those things, those rules, habits, responsibilities, and social norms. They have shaped you and they have kind of caged you in and created a box for you. Those are the 4 sides of the box if you want. And it's up to you to break free of them. So you can use these exercises to start to train your brain to think differently and start to question why you do things and start to take back some freedom in your life. And again, I remember that caution. Allow yourself to make mistakes. Not every exercise will feel great to you. Not every exercise will be a success, and that's okay. And remember not to use freedom as a crutch. Remember that it's not there for you to make excuses. It's not there for you to run away from life and to say, well, I'm never going to do anything again because it always impinges on my freedom. That's not it. It's about you being smart, about making choices, about making conscious times, because there are times where you want to give up your freedom. That's times when you want to take care of your family and not do what you want to do. Give up your freedom to take care of others. That's okay. That's a choice. And the fact that you're choosing that is really just another step in your own freedom path, right? If you've chosen to give up your time and a little bit of your freedom to help someone else, then that's a choice, and that actually enhances your freedom. It doesn't take it away. If you decide to love someone and let them into your life, that's a choice that gets you more freedom. And again, it doesn't take it away. So be smart about this. Use your brain. Don't let anyone tell you differently. Use these exercises to start to explore and expand your world. And I'm really excited for what's going to happen for you. So be sure to leave comments in the section after you started playing with some of these exercises. And let me know what insights, what ahas did you have? What changes are you making in your life? And how are you becoming more free? And how are you becoming happier? Because again, that's what this course is all about. It's using freedom to find more happiness in your life. So I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in another course. Take care.